Dear friends, parents, and students, welcome to Genius Wonder channel. Today, I am giving a wonderful video regarding everyday life chemistry. Dear friends, every day and every moments we use chemistry. Most of the people popularly said that they are made for each other. Their chemistry is very good. Like this, we have know that chemistry. So first, we know about the meaning of chemistry. Chemistry is a branch of science which deals with the study of chemical reactions, but also its composition, structure, and properties. Chemistry is sometimes called the central science because it connects physics with other natural sciences such as geology and biology. Now we will know about branch of chemistry. Five subdivisions traditionally are used to classify various aspects of chemistry. The first one, organic chemistry. Second one, inorganic chemistry. Third one, biochemistry. Fourth, physical chemistry. Fifth, analytical chemistry. The first one, organic chemistry. The study of organic chemistry originally was limited to compounds that were obtained from living organisms. But now the field deals with hydrocarbons and their derivatives. Second one, inorganic chemistry. The study of inorganic chemistry includes compounds derived from all the elements except for hydrocarbons. Third one, biochemistry. Biochemistry is the subdivisions in which the compounds and chemical reactions involved in process of living system are studied. Fourth one, physical chemistry. Physical chemistry deals with the structure of matter and the energy changes that occur during physical and chemical changes of matter. Fifth one, analytical chemistry. Analytical chemistry is concerned with the identification of chemical substances, the determination of the amount of substances present in a mixture, and the separations of mixture into their individual components. The last one, astrochemistry. Astrochemistry is the interdisciplinary physical science that studies the origin and interaction of the chemical constituents, especially interstellar matter in the universe. Now, how chemistry is used in everyday life? Chemistry is a big part of our everyday life. You find chemistry in daily life in the foods you eat, the air you breathe, your soap, your emotions, and literally every object you can see or touch. Here is a look at some everyday chemistry. Now I have given more than 12 illustrations regarding everyday chemistry. The first one, chemistry of love. The emotions that you feel are a result of chemical messengers, primarily neurotransmitters. Love, jealousy, envy, infatuation, and infidelity all shares a basis in chemistry. Second one, Elements in the human body. Your body is made up of chemical compounds, which are combinations of elements. While you probably know your body is mostly water, which is hydrogen and oxygen. The third one, why ice floats? Can you imagine how different the world around you would be if ice sank? For one thing, lakes would freeze from the bottom. Chemistry holds the explanation for why ice floats, while most substances sink when they freeze. The fourth one, why onions make you cry? The onions contain oil which is rich in sulfur, that is chemical. When we cut or peel an onion, this sulfurous and acidic oil is released and it evaporates and reaches our eyes. The irritants are thus washed away by the tears. The fifth one, baking powder versus baking soda. You can't interchange these two important cooking ingredients, even though they both cause baked good to rise. Chemistry can help you understand what makes them different. Sixth one, how sunscreen works. Screen uses chemistry to filter or block the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays to protect you from a sunburn, skin cancer, or both. Seventh one, fruits that ruin gel. Gel zero is example of a polymer that you can eat. Some natural chemicals inhibit the formation of this polymer. Simply put, they ruin gel zero. Eighth one, laundry detergents in the dishwater. You can apply chemistry to decide when and where to use household chemicals. While you might think detergents so it is interchangeable from one application to another, there are some good reasons why laundry detergents should stay in the washing machine. Ninth one, does bottled water go bad? Food goes bad because of chemical reactions that occur between food molecules. Fat can become rancid. Bacteria grow that can make you sick. What about products that don't fat? Can bottled water go bad? The 10th one, how soap cleans. A soap is a chemical that mankind has been mixing for a very long time. You can form a crude soap by making ashes and animal fat. How can something so nasty actually make you cleaner? The answer has to do with the way soap interacts with oil-based grease and crime. 11th one, vaccine cures diseases. A vaccine is a chemical substance administered to humans to protect them from serious diseases. Through the uses of vaccines, humanity has been able to protect itself against many deadly and crippling diseases like corona. Thank you very much for watching our videos. I am Suprakash Varati, editor and publisher, Pratibha Vignana, and founder and director, Genius Techno School, Iretoglere, Kurki, near Davangere University, and Genius Central School, Jainagara, Chetnagara, Davangere. Please subscribe our channel and watch our videos. Thank you very much.